Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna show you some winter outfit layering idea with a new coat I got from UGG. So I will show you how to layer for winter outfit. Basically, I'm gonna wear this different shade of jean. Also, I got some inner for the coat and jacket from Zara, H&M, and Lululemon. I will match with these inside my winter coat or jacket. So let's start. I'm gonna match my only two bag, which is my favorite two bag. One is Birkin 25 black and the other one is gold color Kelly 28. Basically, I will match my outfit to match with these two bags. The reason I picked these two bags, kind of matching with any like winter outfit. Usually I have mini bags or like a little bit summer color. So I wanted to go for gold, black, neutral color, kind of like a toned down color. So you can match with any like winter outfit. So I chose these two bags. For the winter, the coat or like outer trend is always changing, right? Max Mara teddy coat, teddy bear coat. I was really trying to get it, but including tax in California, you have to pay like $4,000. It doesn't make sense to me because it's not even real fur, it's like full fur. And you are paying for the design and the brand. I don't think with that style, with that quality, I'm not sure it's worth. So I was looking for any teddy coat I can get in reasonable price. And this is a teddy coat I got. It's like $200 something, $248 before tax. Dark gray color, X small size, long teddy coat. I think this is really good because this is pretty much similar to Max Mara style. I don't know, to be honest, like they have their really authentic, like very beautiful, trendy style, but I'm not willing to pay like $4,000 for this kind of similar style. So I tried it on. It was really good with this kind of just basic jean with like top, white top. Also, I got another oversized coat. I really love this. This was on sale from UGG. So both are from UGG. This is an oversized long coat. The other one is teddy bear style coat. Both are like full fur, as I know, but I really love this style. And the price is like both like 200 something. So it's a really good deal. So for neutral color coat, I think it's better to wear something inside simple and like neutral color inner. So I was trying to find something like ivory or like any neutral color inner. So this is what I found for my camel color oversized long coat from UGG. These are from, one is from Zara, one is from H&M. This one is from Zara. Basically like a kind of crop sweater top, $25 and small size. This is crop top, so a little bit short, but I like this way because it looks more like trendy, so I like it. To match with this, either I can match this with any jean, also it can match with the same kind of knit sweater pants. Knit pants. So I'm gonna match together maybe for camel oversized long coat. As a inner, it's gonna be perfectly fit. For the teddy coat, because teddy coat itself is really bulky, I wanna wear something like a little bit with a crop top, with jeans, a little bit like casual style and like basic style. Also, I got this from Lululemon. Lululemon, it was on sale actually. Yeah. This was supposed to be for yoga, but I'm not gonna use it for yoga. I'm gonna use for as a crop top. So I got this, also this Lululemon, it's basic style. And I don't know original price, but it was on sale, like $39. So this one I might match with either pants from Forever 21. You know, if you check Forever 21, they have a lot of crop top, pretty good one. But the quality wise, I prefer something like Zara or like Lululemon. They have better fit and quality. So I chose crop top from Zara and Lululemon. This one is just like jogger pants. It's a little shiny cotton, I think. This one can be matched with any like crop top. enjoyed my winter outfit layering idea. My wish list for the new year would be I have so many things from Chanel. Like every season they bring so many cute season bag. I do not want to buy any classic bag from Chanel, like a small or medium sized classic bag, because it's like over 10k. I don't think it's worth to buy with not better quality. So I am not gonna go for any classic bag, I would say, for Chanel. As I know, next season is coming. Next season is 22P in Chanel, and it's gonna come third week of January. So till then, I don't think I'm gonna do any unboxing from Chanel. So we'll see. Yeah, and Hermes, for Hermes, I don't want to rush to get another like quarter bag. To be honest, I want to like slow down my shopping, and I want to do a little bit, give you guys more idea about like style or something, lifestyle or just fashion style tip. So yeah, we'll see. And from Hermes, my wish list would be either small size of Kelly, like small size of Kelly, not less smaller than 28 size. Any small size of Kelly bag I would love to get, like in dark green or like red or something like that. And like Kelly 20, something like that. Yeah, the size wise. And as a Birkin, I would never. I don't know. So far, I'm not interested in Birkin 30 size, because when I was always using this Birkin 25, it matches with any outfit I wear, either casual or formal. So I love this size. It's so light. So I would love to get another color of this same style size. Like I would say maybe dark green or like ivory color, like nata or gray. Those would be my own wish list. But I don't want to rush this year. I'm gonna slow down. So let's see. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed my mugshot and styling tip for winter outfit. And see you next video. Bye.